So we just want to give you an update here on the ADU. Got the windows installed. I'm going to show you a little bit on the inside. I got the windows installed. Digging up the trench currently. We're going to be running our water and gas lines out to the front meters. Decided on doing separate meters because when people come and rent, it's just no hassle. So this is a new entrance. We're going to put a light here up on top. Stucco all the way up to the top sides. Fascia. Going to be the kitchen area. Currently running the electrical. Putting on all the lights. Going to put in dimmers, all that stuff. Kitchen area over there. It ended up being pretty spacey here. It's going to be the restroom right here. Restroom right here, nice size. You know, it's not bad. It's for a small unit. Bedroom area here. A little dark in here. We don't have lighting in yet. Got a laundry room here. Small but nice size, you know, stackable there. And a small little playroom, I guess, in the front. You can turn it into a bedroom if you'd like. Whatever you think is right for you. Well, I'll show you an advancement as we go along. We're gonna get ready for lath. Pretty much done on the outside. Inside we got the electrical going. We started on the insulation. Plumbing is done. Electrical and plumbing has been passed, the rough. So we started on the insulation here. Pretty much getting ready to insulate and cover up the walls. Just giving you an update of where we're at right now. So pretty fast, pretty easy job. Not too complicated. Got the laundry room there. I'll be giving you an update as we get closer to finish and every step that we take. So we're giving you an update on the ADU. We have lath, past inspection. We got windows installed, lath. We did insulation. I should give you a brief look inside. We did all the insulation. We're putting in drywall. Pretty much set, ready to go. Finishing up drywall. They're getting drywall started today. Be done with drywall pretty soon. So we are pretty much set with the drywall. Past inspection today. Corner beads are up. Pretty much set for mudding. We will give you another update once the mudding is done. Black paper is put in the restroom. Hardy backer. Thank you guys for watching.